So we'll get 0 here, then minus 5 into 1 plus 1, so that is minus 4, then minus 5 into minus 4, that is 20, 20 minus 12, so you're going to get 8 here. The first and second rows, they are multiples of each other, so take R2 goes to 4R1 plus R2, so that will give, so you will get 0, 1, minus 2, the second row will become 0, and the last row is minus 2, 1, minus 4. Minus 2, 1, minus 4, and again you can simplify if you want. So you can take R3 goes to R3 minus R1, so that is 0, 1, minus 2, 0, 0, 0, then minus 2, 0, minus 4, minus 2, minus 2 varum. Okay, so let us write the equation now. So that gives x2 minus 2 x3 equal to 0, and this is minus 2 x1 plus minus 2 x3 equal to 0, so that is x1 plus x3 equal to 0. So again put x3 equal to t, that gives x1 equal to minus t, and x2 will be equal to 2 times t. So therefore the second eigenvector x2 will be that will be equal to minus t, to t and t. So that will be, so eigenvector for lambda equal to 3 will be, so that is minus 1, 2, 1. And let us see for lambda equal to 5. Now when lambda equal to 5, so take the matrix A minus 5y x equal to 0. So A minus 5y x equal to 0 will become, so you will get 2 minus 1, 6, minus 10, again 4 minus 5 minus 1, minus 12 varum, then minus 2, minus 1, minus 6, x equal to 0. Oh, sorry, minus 2 plus 1 minus 6. Okay. So that is the corresponding matrix. Again let us reduce the rows. The matrix is 2 minus 1 6, minus 10 minus 1 minus 12, and minus 2 1, minus 6. So take R3 goes to R3 plus R1. So R3 is a multiple of R1. So you will get 2 minus 1, 6, minus 10, minus 1, minus 12, 0, 0, 0 item. And you can simplify the second row. So take R2 goes to 5R1 plus R2 upper first place 0. So you will get 2 minus 1, 6, then 0, then minus 5 minus 1 upper minus 6, then 30 minus 12, so that is 18. So you get 0, 0, 0. Again you can take R2 goes to R2 by minus 6, so that will give us 2 minus 1, 6, 0, 1 minus 3, 0, 0, 0. So you can take R1 goes to R1 plus R2. So take R1 goes to R1 plus R2. So that implies, so you will get the matrix. So 2 0 3 വരും 2 0 3 and 0 1 minus 3 0 0. So the equations are 2x1 plus 3x3 equal to 0 and x2 minus 3x3 equal to 0. Again put x3 equal to t. So you will get x1 equal to minus 3 t by 2 varum and x2 is minus 3t. And you can multiply with 2 vach throughout multiply cheyyam. 2 vach throughout multiply cheyal you will get. So the eigenvector is നമുക്ക് fractions ഒഴിവാക്കാം അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ അങ്ങനെ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. So that will give us minus 3 and minus 6 varum and 2. So that is the eigenvector corresponding to lambda equal to 5. So those are the corresponding eigenvalues and eigenvectors. So this is how we find the eigenvalues and eigenvectors for given matrices.